Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko, Ryan Gesto, and for today's do-it-yourself vlog episode, how to make lemon Yakult with chia seeds. Hi there mga ka-nose, so I have here ingredients and equipments in making lemon Yakult with chia seeds. So all we need is 1 piece of lemon, 1 bottle of Yakult, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, water, and ice. If you don't have fruit squeezer, ko yung gumamit ng fork or strainer. Chia seeds, na-prepare ko na siya. Ingredients dito, especially sa chia seeds, sa lemon, at sa Yakult. It helps improve your digestive and builds your immunity. Kung wala po kayong chia seeds, okay lang po. Yung chia seeds po napili ng kapatid ko, Healthy Kitchen. So let's start. So state po natin siya sa glass. So yung pinili kong Yakult, yung available is Yakult Lite. You can use also yung original. Shake po natin para at least yung dito sa baba ma-dissolve siya. Ilalagay tayo ng Wildflower Honey by Kirkland, 1 tablespoon. Pwede po 2 tablespoon, depende po sa preference nyo. Kapag wala po kayong honey, you can replace po sa white sugar. Dissolve po natin yung honey. Next po ilalagay natin is yung ice. Ice po, depende po sa preference nyo kung ilang piraso yung ilalagay nyo. So, very easy drink lang siya i-prepare, especially kapag nasa bahay lang po kayo. I-mix nyo lang po dito sa glass mismo yung lahat ng ingredients. Yung Yakult, lemon juice, tapos yung honey. And maglalagay po tayo ng water. Then, ilagay po natin yung pang-garnish na isang lemon slice for presentation. And last, yung chia seeds natin. Kung walang chia seeds po, okay din po. Kung gusto nyong lemon Yakult lang without chia seeds. Pero ako gusto ko din yung chia seeds para at least maging healthy product at healthy drink po yung present ko sa inyo. So, malagay lang natin. Ayan po, meron na tayong lemon Yakult with chia seeds. Ayan. As you can see sa taas po, nilagay ko yung chia seeds natin. Thank you for watching mga Nos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings from my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jesu saying, keep safe and God bless. Bye!